Hi everyone! If you are new here, then I'm Luke, and this whole channel is all about Apple devices. Normally it looks like this in my studio/home, where I'm making tutorials for the Apple devices, mostly the Mac, and sharing the tips with you. But now I have decided to take this whole concept a little bit further and show you how I use these devices in the real-life situations. So what is the plan? First, let me get up there so we have a better view. We did it! Look at these views. So now, in the form of these big vlogs, I want to show you how I use these devices in real life situations. Whether it's taking the Apple Watch for a run or exercise, or the tips how am I using the iPhone. I also want to dive deeper in the applications I'm using on everyday basis and show you what subscriptions I need and especially those subscriptions I don't need, so you can save yourself some money. I will show you how I work on the Mac or the iPad outside and how am I using the iPhone for GPS navigation and CarPlay in the long journeys. But of course, I'll keep on doing all of the standard tutorials and videos as you are used to on this channel. But let's use this as an opportunity to connect more together. So you can let me know in the comments below if you like this concept and also share some ideas what I could make in the future videos, so I can really be making the content you enjoy the most. But now, let me take you to the journey into the Apple world. If you want to join me on the way, all you need to do is to click on the subscribe button and we can share these things all together. But now, I have quite a long way back to the city. So see you in the next video. This is already a first hack which I want to show you. If you have some old drone, like this old Mavic Air, it is all set up to connect with a small dongle through the micro USB to the lightning of your old iPhone. But if you are using new iPhones with USB-C, you can just use its charging cable, which is USB to USB-C, and you can perfectly use it even with the older drone.